Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles. In the month of November, I'm going to be trying to upload 3 videos every day. 2 that are going to be from the very easy, or average difficulty, and 1 that's going to be average, hard, or very hard difficulty, because I just enjoyed doing all these puzzles, and I have a whole bunch of videos that are in the backlog, so I'm just going to be posting all of them. Anyways, this is today's average level difficulty puzzle, and it's called Hubble Bubble, and it's by Chaos and Trouble. And here are all the rules. Normal Sudoku rules apply, which means place the digits 1 through 9 in every row, every column, and every box. Digits on a blue line must have an equal sum within each region it passes. I think it's supposed to be it passes through. So that and that Okay, the way that we like to describe it is saying that box borders divides a line into regions with equal sums. So in this specific in normal region sum lines, so this is a perfect example. This digit does not equal all 5 of these digits. It just equals these 2 digits added up together and these 3 digits added up together, because the box borders divide the line into separate regions. So this is one region, this is another region, and that's another region, with all of which have the same sum. So, and digits in a cage do not repeat and must sum to the value given. So these 3 digits must add up to 21. These 2 digits must add up to 10. This must add up to 18. Or sorry, this is 8. This is 14. This is 4. And this is a question mark. And question marks can be any actual number. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay. So let's start off with this. Actually, let's start off with this. We know these two equal each other because the sum, box borders divide a line into regions with the same sum. So this is 2 times something. This is 10. So this is even and this is even. And all 9 of these would add up to 45. So we have an even, and we need to add something that makes it odd. So this has to be odd. In addition, there are 4 digits that are less than it because they must add up to it. So this has to be 5, 7, or 9. This is at least 6 through 9. Can it be all 6 through 9? I think so. Okay, so we know these two sets, so these 5 numbers add up to each other. Oh, this can't be 6. It can't be 7 either. It has to be 8 or 9. So this is 8 or 9. Right, because either it adds up to this amount. So, first of all, this digit adds up to 2 times this digit, right? If it were 7 or 6, so it has to be at least 6 because the minimum here is 1, 2, and 3. But the problem is you have 5 digits adding up to 2 times whatever this digit is. And if you had 7 here or 6, it would be add up to 14 or 12 respectively. But 5 unique digits added up together have to be at least 15. So added together, this would have to be 16 or 18, right? So we know this is 16 or 18. If it's 16, oh, whatever it is has to be here. Right. So this is 8 or 9 also. Right? Where else can it be? This digit cannot be on the region sum line because they would have to add up to it, and then you can't add itself to 1 or more to add up to what it is, and it cannot be in this. So this one has to be here. So this cannot be 4, 8, 9. So this is either 5, 7, 9. or 678. 579 or 678. Right? Because it's 21. And it cannot have 8 and 9. So we know the 7's here. If it's 9, so it would be 678. This would be 9. Wait, does that work? No, cannot be 9. If it's 9, this is 678, and this would be 15 added together, which is not possible. So this has to be 579. This is 8, so this is 134, and this has to be 26, and this is 8. Yep, that works. So this is 16 plus 21 is 8, right? So this is 8. This cannot be 8. So this is either 1, 9, 3, 7, or 4, 6. This cannot be 7 or 9, so this can't be 1 or 3. This can't be 4, so this can't be 6. These two add up to these two, which add up to these two. This has to be, this is 8, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, digits cannot repeat, but we don't really know very much about that. So this is 5, 6, 8, 9. This is 1, 3. This is cannot be 2, 6. So it's 1, 7 or 3, 5. These 3 add up to this. So this is also 6, 7, or 9. It cannot be 6 because this cannot be 1, 2, 3. Because we have 1 and 3 here. It could be 7, in which case this would be 1, 2, 4. So this would be 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or it could be 9, in which case this would be 1, 2, 6. It cannot be... Okay, so it can't be 1, 2, 6. So we know this is 2. So this is 2, 3, 4 in that case. We know there's a 2 here. It's either 1, 2, 4. It cannot be 1, 3, 5. It cannot be 1, 2, 6, or it's 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 either way, so this can't be 4. This is 2, so this has to be 6. This is 2. So this has to be 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So the 8 is here, so the 8 would have to be... And this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this can't be 8. This is at least 11, because it's 5 and 6 at least. So this is 2 through 9. This is 7 or 9. This has to be 5 or 7. This is 5 or 7. So this has to be 5 or 7. This has to be one of 1, 3, or 4. Oh, this can't be 9. This is 1 through 7. This has to be 8. This is 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. 4, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Interesting. Okay, this cannot be 5 and 6. Could be 5 and 7, though, so 12 is possible, so this cannot be 2. We know the 2 and the 4 are here. This has to be 6 and 8, so this cannot be 6. Let's see. Whatever this digit is, cannot be on here, cannot be along one of these two, so it has to be here. I don't know if this really tells us much, but it has to be one of these three. So then it has to also be one of those three. Cannot be that. We know this is 5, 7, 8, 9. So this cannot contain 5, 7, 8, or 9. Right? One of these is 5, 7. So this cannot be 5, 7, 8, and 9. So this is one. Uh, this it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 8. So 8 cannot be. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We know 2 and 6 are here. We don't really know anything else though. Um, hmm. So this has to be one of those two. Oh, it could be here. Right. It could be the 7. Yeah. If this is 5, this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Which means this would have to be 6, 7, 8, which is 21? Which seems a little large. Right? If you have 5, that's 15, so that would have to be 15 at most. So this cannot be 5. What about if it's 7, actually? Hmm. There aren't as many restrictions if there's 7. So say it's 7, or actually say it's 9. That's 19. 45 minus 19. That could very well be the case. Say it's 7. If it's 7, what would that mean? That would be 17. So 45 minus 17 um, is 28. So this would have to be 14. So that seems reasonable. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so these two cannot be any of those, so it has to be two of these. These two could be any of these three. No, this can't be 3. Uh, hmm. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is only 8 digits. Plus, they don't see everything. Yeah, so that's not that helpful. Um, Interesting. Oh wait, can this ever be 7? This can hold, yeah, it can't be 1, 6, can't be 2, 5, can't be 3, 4. This can never be 7. This is 9. So 9 is one of these two, which means 9 cannot be any of these two, which means this can't be 3 along with it because this is at minimum 12. So it would have to be at best 4 and 8. We know the 9 is one of these two. So this can't be 9. This can't be 1 and 9. No 9 here. No 9 here. Okay, so... No... So this can't be 9. So this cannot be 1, 7 here. So it's 2, 7, 3, 6, or 4, 5. Okay, so this is 19. So 45 minus 19 is 26. So each of these add up to 13. Each of them add up to 13. And we have a 1, 2, a 5, and an 8. Well, the 5 and the 8 cannot be together. So the 8 is somewhere. And the 5 is somewhere. And it has to add up to 16? 13. 13. Right? 19 plus... So 13, 26, yeah. So it has to add up to 13. One of them adds up with an 8. The other one adds up with a 5. So 13. So 8 would be 1, 4. So 1, 4, 8, 2, 3, 8. And then the 5 would have to be 1 or 2 with 6 or 7, right? Yeah. It would have to be 1 or 2 with 6 or 7. Yeah. Okay. So this could be also 1 through 8 here. So we know the 9's one of those two. We don't know which. So this is... okay. If this is 8... that means 5 has to... well, okay, that's not a guarantee. So this cannot be 3, and this cannot be 7. Right? It cannot be 3, 6, and it can't be 2, 7. So this is 1 of 4, this is 1 of 3. So the 9 is here. Oh, this is... okay, so this is 1 or 5. This is 1 or 5. There cannot be a 1 or 5 anywhere in the box because they both see 1 or 5. So either this is 1 or 5 or this is 1 or 5. This cannot be 4, 8. If this is 4, 8, this becomes 1 and 5, which is not possible. So this can't be 4. This could be 5, 7. It could be 6, 8. It could be 7, 8. There's a lot of possibilities here. It could even be 6, 7. Huh. Okay. Oh, okay, we do. Okay, so we know how much this is. We know how much this is. We know how much this is. So we know what these two have to be. So this has to be 18. This is 13. So 18 plus 13 is 31. Right? 18 plus 13 is... okay, so this is 19. 45 minus 19 is 26 divided by 2 is 13. 13 plus 18 is 31. So 45 minus 31 is 14. So this has to be 14, which means this is 5, 9. So this can't be 5. So this is 9. This has to be 5, which means this is 8, 1. So this has to be 6, 7. So this is 13 also. So this can't be 1. This is 2, 3, 4. No 8. No 1, 7. This can't be 3. So this is 2, 4, 6. This has to be, this can't be 4. So this is 4. This is 1. This is 3. This is 1. This is 3. So this can't be, cannot be 3. Cannot be 3. This can't be 6. We have 2, 3, 4. This is 2, 3, 4. So no 4, 5. No 4, 5. This can't be 5. This can't be 5. So 5 is one of those two. So 5 has to be on here, which means 8 cannot be here. This has to be 8. So no 1, 8. This cannot. This is 2, 3, 6, 7. So this has to be 4, which makes that 2, which makes that 3. So this can't be 2. This has to be 3 and 7. So no 7, no 7, no 3, 7, no 3, 7, no 3. This has to be 1, 4, 8. No 4, 7. So this is 2, 5, 6. No 2, 5, 6. No 9. No 2, 5, 6. This is 3 or 7. So there's no 3 here. There's no 3 here. There's no 3 here. So every other number we know has to be on here. So this can't be 3. This can't be 7. This has to be a 3. Okay, it cannot be 3 and 1 because that would add up to 4. It cannot be 3 and 2 because this would have to be 5, so that'd be 1, 4, and 2, 3, but the 3 is already there. So it can't be 2. It could, can it be 3, 4? If it's 3, 4, this would be 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4, but we have a 3 and a 6 there already, so it cannot be 3, 4. If it's 3, 5, this is 1, 8, 2, 1, 7, 2, 6, or 3, 5, and those are all not possible. So this has to be 6. So this can't be 6, this can't be 6, this can't be 6. 6 is one of those two. This has to be 7, so this is 6, which means this can't be 6. This is 13, so this cannot be 9. So it's either 5, 8, or 6, 7. So this is 6 or 8 also. This can't be 6. This can't be, okay, this can't be 6 and 8 because that's 6 or 8. So this is 5, 9, which forces this to be 7, which makes that 6. So this can't be 7. This can't be 7. This can't be 6 or 7. This is 5, 8, and 9. No 6, 7 there. No 5, 9. No 5, 9. This can't be 6 or 5. So this is 2. This can't be 2. This can't be 2. 2, 5, 6. This can't be 6. Okay. This can't be 7. What do we have here? This is 1, 3, 4, and 8. So that can't be 1, 3, 4, 8. 1, 3, 4, 8. Okay, this is 1, 2, no 3, 4, 5, no 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is... Okay, so this is 9. So this cannot be 9 here or here. So this is 9. So this can't be 9. This has to be 5. This is 9. This can't be 5. So this can't be 5. This can't be 9. Therefore, this is the only possibility for 9. We can remove the blue because the blue is just the 9 anyways. So one of these is 9. So that's 9. This is 9. So this could be 1. Okay, so this has to be 1, 8, and 4, 5. So this cannot be, this has to be 2 and 9. So this is 8. So this can't be 8. This can't be 8 or 2, so this is 4, which makes that 2, 7. No 4, 7. No 2. No 4. No 2, 4, or 7. That's 6 or 8. 1, 8, 4, 5. So this can't be 1, 8. So this is 4, 5. So this is 1, 8. This can't be 7. So this can't be 2. So this can't be 3, 6. So this is 2. Which makes that 6. This is 2. This is 1, 4, 1, 4. This is 5. This is 5. One of these is 2. No 5. No 2. This is 1, 4, 1, 4. No 1, 4. So this has to be 1, 4, 1, 4. This is 3, 8, 9. Okay. So this can't be 1, this can't be 1, this can't be 8. So this is a 6. So we know this is 6, this is 5, this is 6. This cannot be 5. So 5 has to be here, which means 5 cannot be here. So this is 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. No 4, no 4, no 5, no 5. So this has to be a 5. We have 4 and 6. We have 1, 2, 8, 9. So this is 1, 8. This is 1, 8. So this is 9, which means this is 2. This is 9. So this has to be 7. So this is 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 1, 8, 7, 1, 8, 2, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 8, 9, 3, 8, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, and we have 1 and 2. And that's the solution. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, just had to figure out where the constraints are. And that's pretty much the solve. I hope you enjoyed the solve too, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.